In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the candle size on TradingView or zoom into a specific part of your chart. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having clarity in your chart analysis is crucial. So let's dive in and explore how you can enhance your charting experience with these simple techniques. First, make sure you have your chart open in TradingView. It's important to be familiar with the interface, as we'll be navigating through several options to adjust the view and dimensions of our charts. Once you have your chart open, you can use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. This is one of the quickest and most intuitive ways to get a closer or more comprehensive view of your chart data. Just hover over the chart and scroll the mouse wheel to either zoom in for more detail or out for a broader perspective. For a more controlled zoom, you can take advantage of your keyboard. By holding the Control key on your keyboard while scrolling the mouse wheel, you'll be able to zoom in or out with even greater precision. This technique can really help when you need to fine-tune your view and focus on specific price movements within a narrow time frame. Next, let's look at adjusting the price axis. You can do this by dragging the price axis up or down. To do so, simply click on the price axis, hold and drag it in the direction that helps better view the price fluctuations you're interested in. This action compresses or expands the price scale, giving you a different perspective on price changes without altering the actual time scale of your chart. Additionally, you can drag the x-axis of your chart, which is often represented by the timeline at the bottom. Clicking and dragging this axis left or right allows you to shift your view chronologically, enabling you to examine different periods and data sets with ease. Lastly, if you prefer using on-screen controls, TradingView offers plus and minus signs near the chart itself. Clicking the plus sign allows you to zoom in, while the minus sign will zoom out. These buttons are especially useful if you are more comfortable using on-screen commands rather than keyboard and mouse shortcuts. By following these straightforward methods, you'll be able to easily enhance your chart analysis. Each approach can be used independently or in combination, depending on your needs and preferences. Experiment with these techniques to see which setup works best for your trading style. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!